Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG, one of their most sought after floor plans in a pull trailer. Come on in, let me show you the inside. So we come in inside, we got the large assist handle, walk in, got a nice backlit counter area, solid surface countertops, nice big basin sink with a pull-out spray nozzle. 4,000 watt gen on this one. Full-size microwave. All LED lights throughout. 3-burner cooktop. Nice size oven below. This one has the living room slide out. Spacious cabinets above, nice couch area here with the kidney shaped table that removes, slide out comes in, that'll make into a single bed. The bunk bed above, this one has the optional sofa, forward facing sofa that faces forward at the TV. I like this setup in this floor plan the best because it gives you forward facing to the TV and the guests that are inside the living room. This one has the Patio Ramp Kit, pull down screen wall, big enough to accommodate a full-size razor. It'll fit inside with the slide out. Spacious cabinets above here. This has got all the new latest and greatest hardware on the cabinetry and the furnishing, as you can see, with the monogrammed Eclipse logo. Very comfortable chairs. Another table here for the 2 chairs there. Large window, nice and bright inside. Has a remarkable flooring material that they use that is a stain resistant material. They say even if you dropped a permanent marker, it's not going to etch the floor. The heavy duty D-rings. Kitchen area I've missed to show you, but it has the pull out pantry, the drawer areas, the large refrigerator, freezer. TV above. Cabinet here is your command center with all of your connection switches, inside outside lighting, tank monitors, water heater turn on and off, your stereo system that's Bluetooth that plays your AM, FM, CD, DVD, and through your movies through the TV. Side aisle hallway into the nice spacious bathroom with a nice glass corner enclosure, skylight. Plenty of room, even for a guy my size. There is plenty of room in the shower, plenty of height, movement. It's a good sized shower here. Got the lock for travel, basin sink, nice big closet, couple more drawers, heat duct inside the bathroom, porcelain toilet. You know, one thing that you don't see in the floors, this is a bonded floor, so there is no heat vents in the floor area. It all comes through the cabinetry. Therefore, we don't spill things that go down into our heat ducts and cause smells, odors, and or just keeps it cleaner. Pass through into the bedroom. Plenty of lights. You got USB and 12-volt plug-in on the side over there in the pocket. And then you have 110 outlets on both sides of the bed. Closet area on both sides, overhead cabinetry above with individual lighting up above, the padded headboard. Nice size queen size mattress. Storage below. This particular model has the solar on the roof. Monitor panel here in the bedroom. Pre-wired for a TV, 110 plug-in, and satellite and/or cable outlets already mounted in the bedroom with a heat duct coming through the wall on this model. This has the limited edition Monster Energy graphic edition. Large power awning, LED light strip, overhead door light strip, patio spotlights, patio speakers. Plenty of ground height off the ground with the big 16-inch tires and wheels. Magnetic catch for the basement going up across in the front end. These guys build theirs a little bit different way, a little bit wider stance for their rails on the frame with the outriggers that support the walls. Just gives you plenty of strength to haul your machines. Got the one-piece cap on the front with the LED light strips and the new logos. Today we have it set up with a nice Chevrolet pickup, all ready to go camping with the RZR in the back. There is an outlet here. It's capped off but can easily be replaced with a quick disconnect for your LP system. You got the Attitude center caps with their wheels that are specifically made for the Attitude trailer. And then you also have the Zerk fittings on the shackles so you can grease the suspension and maintain it and keep it in good shape throughout the life of the trailer. Sewer hose storage down below. Stabilizer jacks in the rear. You got a loop here so you can tie up the dog or run a cable and tie up your toys with a padlock. All aluminum frame walls, fiberglass exterior. The aluminum channel around here, and then we also got the airfoil roof on the back end. So with the ramp door up, it overhangs so the water's not wanting to drip and try to seep in through the rear ramp door. So it helps protect that and keep it sealed with the cargo loading lights. This one has the patio kit, so if we take the RZR off, let me show you, it makes into the patio kit. So now if we want to convert this into the rear patio, door is very light, pull the pin, put the clip through, now we have the rear deck. The fold out ladder for access on the roof. This is a full walkable roof with plywood in the roof, plywood in the floors, not particle wood. Got the fuel station, the 12-volt fuel pump with gauge, and then our pump and nozzle inside the compartment here. Slide out, this has got the off door side spotlights. Fueling station is on the off door side, so it'd be on the driver's side when you pull in the gas station, so easy to fuel up. Metal fender wells, so if you happen to get a flat, it's not busting all your plastic up. Shore cord, water connections here. Everything's LED lights throughout, inside and out. Gas and electric hot water heater, outside shower. Low point drains are real easy to get to. And then this has the Onan 4,000 watt generator. Battery disconnect switch up front. Rack to handle 2 batteries. And then our 2 7-gallon propane tanks up front with the power tongue jack. Come on around back, let me show you something that's interesting that the Attitudes do. A very light door to fold up. But their new graphics are reflective graphics on the back door, as well as having reflective taillights. So if we happen to lose our light plug driving down the road, we can still be seen from the back end. So just a safety feature that they're concerned about, that they put into their trailers. You know, all of these manufacturers should be concerned about safety, and Attitude is one of them. So as you can see, all ready to go. Beautiful toy hauler to handle the toys, the family, the whatever you want to use it for. Again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. Feel free to give me a call direct, 541-979-1770. And please, don't forget to ask for me. I know these toy haulers very well, very proud to have them, and really enjoy selling them. Thank you and have a great day.